Welcome to my new vlog, where I take you on an exciting journey into the world of urban farming and vegetable gardening. In the heart of the city, where concrete and skyscrapers dominate the landscape, I'm proving that fresh, organic produce can thrive even in small spaces. Whether you have a tiny balcony, a backyard, or just a few pots on a windowsill, I'll show you how to turn any urban corner into a lush, green oasis. From seed to harvest, I'll be sharing practical tips, step-by-step guides, and real-life experiences as I grow my own vegetables and create a sustainable, farm-to-table lifestyle right at home. Expect fun experiments, DIY hacks, and eco-friendly techniques that make planting easy, rewarding, and accessible to everyone, even if you're a beginner. Plus, I'll be diving into the challenges of city farming, from dealing with limited space to maximizing yield with smart gardening methods. Join me as we explore the beauty of growing our own food, reconnect with nature, and contribute to a greener, healthier urban environment. Let's cultivate a thriving city farm together. Also this new vlog, where I take you inside the fascinating world of small-scale poultry farming right in the heart of the city. Who says you need acres of land to raise healthy, happy chickens? In this vlog, I'll show you how urban dwellers like you and me can successfully start and manage a small poultry farm, even in a limited space. From setting up a backyard or rooftop coop to choosing the best chicken breeds for eggs and meat, I'll be sharing practical tips, step-by-step guides, and first-hand experiences to help you get started. Expect exciting content on proper feeding, healthcare, and sustainable practices to keep your flock thriving while staying eco-friendly and neighbor-friendly. I'll also tackle common challenges like managing waste, controlling noise, and keeping predators at bay in an urban setting. Whether you're looking to enjoy fresh, organic eggs daily, start a small business, or simply reconnect with nature in the middle of the city, this vlog is your ultimate guide. Join me on this journey to discovering the joys and rewards of urban poultry farming, one cluck at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along as we build a thriving urban farm together. The main goal of my vlog is to take you on an exciting journey as I turn my old, messy garden into a fresh, beautiful, and productive space. This isn't just about planting. It's about bringing new life to a garden that was once forgotten and making it a place full of greenery and growth. Through this vlog, I will show every step of the process, from clearing out weeds and improving the soil to choosing the best plants, vegetables, and flowers that will grow well. I will try out simple gardening tricks, eco-friendly ideas, and fun DIY projects to make the garden look better and produce more. Whether it's building easy garden beds, using small spaces wisely, or making natural compost to keep plants healthy, I will share everything I learn along the way. My goal is not only to grow fresh, organic food, but also to create a peaceful and beautiful place where I can relax and enjoy nature. I hope this vlog inspires others who have an unused or messy garden to see that with a little effort and creativity, any space, big or small, can be turned into something special. Join me on this fun journey, and let's bring new life to old gardens together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow along for every step of this exciting change.